here coming from Michigan, all the way from Michigan, which is hot but not sunny today. I'm happy. Why am I happy? Because I am a proud founder of ONPASSIVE. And this beautiful lady to my left or my right, or she's above me or below me, I don't know. Wait a minute. Why aren't you smiling? Where's the smile? Where's that? There we go. That's what a founder, listen, look at Julie's face. That's what a proud founder looks like when they go to bed, when they wake up. Show us the smile, Julie. Come on. Show us that smile, Julie.
I was thinking because I thought you were from Alaska.
Oh, yeah. I was in Alaska yesterday. Now I'm back in Michigan.
Hello,
anyway.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speedy Live with Chris Johnson and Julie Nguyen. My name is Julie. I'm coming to you from Orange County, California. And we're so proud to be ONPASSIVE founder, and we're excited to come here and do the Speedy Live together. Hope everyone's doing well. Did everyone have a great Monday and starting Tuesday?
What do you mean? It's still Monday.
Well, other countries started Tuesday.
That's correct. I think in Australia it's Tuesday. I think India is Tuesday. Bangladesh, Alaska, I still think it's Monday. Yeah. Asia. That's right. Let's talk about Asia. Let's talk about the wonderful founders, brothers and sisters we have in Asia. How are you today? You know, Julie and I would like to say hello to every one of you in the Asian world, the Asian land, the Asian universe, and welcome to Speedy Live. You know, sometimes we really want to connect with everyone in this world. So maybe that's something we should do, Julie, every day is say hello to a different country and let them know that we love them and that we care. And we're here to pump them up. Julie, what do you want to pump up the Asian world today with? What do you think they need to know today?
Listen, right after this live, in about 30-ish minutes, I will be jumping back on with my other two Vietnamese friends. We're going to be talking about ONPASSIVE in Vietnamese. So if you are watching this and you want to jump on later, well, you know, we're going to have a Vietnamese live right after this. So welcome. I know you've been talking about artificial intelligence, right? Why not? But before we go on to artificial intelligence, why don't we shout out to all of our friends in Australia. Last week, we helped to promote the Australian YouTube, you know, the Aussie girl. And this week, we're going to have two brand new YouTubers, and we want to introduce them to you. First is Bruce Gerstein, and the other one is Jean Oliva. I've seen both of their YouTube channel. They have a lot of beautiful content, especially Jean has some of her short video that she did. It's beautiful. You guys should check them out. Tonight, we are going to post Bruce Gerstein and Jean Oliva in the back office so that you can do. What's fun on your end, Chris?
Well, you know, every time we start, my daughter walks in, the dog's barking. I'm trying to say, I'm on live. And she's like, well, I don't know. And I just told her, that's what's funny. Understand this, guys. When you do a live, especially in my household, anyone can walk in because my door is always open to anyone that wants us to come in and say hi. And usually it's just my daughter. But when someone comes in the house, my dog acts like she hasn't seen him in 100 years and starts barking. I think it's more that she's excited that I'm talking about ONPASSIVE. And in reality, she's passing on to the person that walked to that door in dog language and is explaining everything to them in passive to get them excited. I think that way sometimes. Yeah, I'm a little kooky, but it works. My dog Belly, when I'm doing a Zoom, she sits right next to me. She knows everything I need to know about ONPASSIVE. Hey, what do you want to talk about artificial intelligence today? What do you think?
You started talking about artificial intelligence this morning. Not a big topic in my own knowledge, but yes, I do understand a little bit about it. So if you want to talk about it, let's talk about that then.
Yeah, I think I did this for a reason today. Actually, was talking to about Julie over the weekend. I had something new I wanted to talk about. And she's like, what? I said, I don't want to tell you until I talk about it. But I believe we've gone in so many different directions. And right now I'm talking to new people and the founders. No disrespect to you guys, my brothers and sisters, but we're trying to get out there to a different part of the world now. People that have never heard about ONPASSIVE or have heard about it and really don't know, but they're going to have the opportunity after we launched to become a reseller or a customer. So I kind of look at it this way. I've been talking about going back to the basics, which is basically what it is. What is ONPASSIVE? ONPASSIVE is 100% automated, 100% digital, 100% artificial intelligence, which is AI, which is unbelievable. Many people don't understand what artificial intelligence is. And I say, do your due diligence. And like I do, I get on there and I study it all the time to understand it. But what is one thing that comes to your mind, Julie, about artificial intelligence that really captures your brain? Go.
Well, before ONPASSIVE, I know a little bit about artificial intelligence. And then when ONPASSIVE came about, I learned a little bit more. But what I've learned is that artificial intelligence has already existed in this world a long, long time ago. But there is the dangerous part of it is the people behind using the technology, the artificial intelligence. It's important. That part of it, I understand, is dangerous. But within ONPASSIVE, the technology, what is behind the ONPASSIVE, artificial intelligence wise, it always comes with a heart. And when it comes to ONPASSIVE, artificial intelligence has another function, part of it coming along with it is machine learning. So I think artificial intelligence and machine learning is really coming hand in hand. And that's what I see in ONPASSIVE. Like I said, it's already done deal for me. Therefore, learning more about artificial intelligence, it's great. But to my understanding that we have the entire tech team who has 1,000 years of knowledge together to literally build this part of ONPASSIVE and also artificial intelligence with the heart. So I completely believe and trust in their knowledge and their heart of doing what they're doing in ONPASSIVE. And all the products will have the functions, the part of artificial intelligence and machine learning to it. To my understanding, nowadays, every time when you go onto your computer, you search for beautiful sunglasses, for example, right? And then you close everything down. The next time you come on there, you see that exactly sunglasses that kind of really popped up. That's artificial intelligence to me, based on my understanding. It's really behind gathering the habit of shopping, what I'm looking for. What are they doing? To my understanding, that they using the data that they are collecting to either sell the data to other people, to other company who will then use those data to start doing marketing. But in ONPASSIVE, basically, artificial intelligence is already there. To my understanding, is basically gathering the data, sort it out, going through machine learning, and then bring that coming back out to the consumers, the business owners, the individuals, to actually delivering that targeted traffic to business owners. And that's what my understanding of, the part, a little part of what do you call it? The little part of the technology behind that I'm seeing.
Were you stuck there for a minute? Because I'm trying to
know,
find this really
no.
important thing to let people know.
No. It's actually, I have friends that are joining in for the next live. So go ahead, Chris, please take it away. It's kind of
They're
like,
coming in.
I was like, ah.
All right, I'm gonna say something real quick. And I probably will be repeating some of this stuff during the week, which I don't like to do, because since I do 2 lives a day, one with myself and one with Julie Wen, I will be repeating a few things because I think they're important. Now, listen to this. 3 out of 4 executives believe that if they don't scale artificial intelligence in the next 5 years, they risk going out of business entirely. That's a very, very, very important statement. It's a very powerful statement to understand the importance and the strength of artificial intelligence. Every company in the world, and over the next couple of days, I'm going to share a few with you on my live and also this live to educate you a little bit more how important artificial intelligence is. Let me give you one company real quick. This is a cool one. Okay. And you know, Kroger is a grocery store. I don't know if it's just in Michigan, but it's your regular supermarket grocery store. All right. They have a pretty cool thing, which is AI, artificial intelligence, where you're going down the rows. And if you're looking for something, you punch it in. It actually beeps when you're walking by. You never been one of those things you're looking for something? Pretty cool. That's artificial intelligence. What is it doing? It's making your life easier. That's just one little thing of one company, which is a supermarket store, that's going to help your life easier. That's artificial intelligence, folks. And I got news for you. There's millions of companies that are using artificial intelligence right now throughout the world since the 1955, actually, and I'll get more into that later. And remember this is why I've been trying to tell you. This is why Julie's been trying to tell you. ONPASSIVE is 100% artificial intelligence. It doesn't have one product like most of these companies. Kroger's got that one thing. ONPASSIVE has everything that equalizes out to all these what they have. One company, one platform, one button. That's what I say. You click of a button, takes you to the whole world of artificial intelligence. It'll do all, show all, and tell all right there. One screen, one panel. You don't have to search 3,000 million things. Thank God for artificial intelligence. There's no changing this, folks. It's coming strong. It's been coming since the 50s. It just exploded. Every company, every business needs it, wants it, has to have it. Where do you think they're going to come? They're going to come to the first company, the very first company that's 100% artificial intelligence with over 50 products, saw products, data centers, serving centers, you name it, centers. We got buildings all over the world that are being built right now just for the ONPASSIVE line. It's going to be nonstop. Julie, I'm talking way too much. Help me, go for it. Yours.
No, it's something that you've been reading. It's something that you've been learning. You should continue to do that because you know what? Just kind of listening to what you're saying, it's amazing. So I would encouraging everyone, if you want to know more about artificial intelligence, there are so many informations out there. To me, I'm a very simple person, right? It is already creating for me. All I got to do is knowing the values that ONPASSIVE is offering. Therefore, I continuously sharing ONPASSIVE everywhere, the details that I have. I mean, if you're currently following this this profile right now on Facebook, on YouTube as well, a lot of the information share out to you just so that you can see the value that is offering in ONPASSIVE. It is very important for you to really understand, you know, the information that share. Click the link, go to onpassive.com to find out what is it that ONPASSIVE is offering. I mean, look at the last meeting that our CEO came on with all of us. There's so many details on there. If you have founders, you'll be able to understand what we're talking about. But you don't have to be a founder of ONPASSIVE. Actually, that opportunity is already late, you know. But if you are truly just, you know, exhibit the quality of the leaders, selflessness, showing empathy to others people, be able to lift up humanity and be able to come into the fire to help other people. You can get back to any one of us who has pending positions. What it is that the positions that someone registered and hadn't paid for, had no opportunity or didn't believe in it. You actually can get back to any one of us who are watching here and say, you know what, if you still have a chance, I'd like to help some people. And I like to, you know, to actually receive some of the intelligence that is offering ONPASSIVE. You could still be part of ONPASSIVE, but listen, if you don't exhibit those qualities that I've mentioned, you know, it's best is for you to be a customer. Or later on, when ONPASSIVE is offering the resellers positions or the resellers opportunity, you could become a resellers as well. But you have to become a you have to become a customer first, right? So the best part for you to do is check out onpassive.com and get back to anyone and have that ONPASSIVE conversations, because what it is right now, it is a time for many of us to focusing on the values what ONPASSIVE is offering. Because if you are a business owner and you're looking for an opportunity to 10x, to bring your business to another level, OnPassive has it all. OnPassive is a total business solutions that can help your business to run to another level. And OnPassive has the artificial intelligence and machine learning function with the heart to be able to help you. Chris, you turned off your cover page. You have a key, and I wanted to hear what you wanted to say.
That's exactly right. You have very good eyes, Julie Wen. See this key, guys? Every founder in ONPASSIVE has this key. What is that key? That key is to open the door to a brand new future for you. I'm offering this key to anyone that wants it after we launch as a reseller or a customer. ONPASSIVE has got a brand new key for you, just waiting for you. It's going to open your door to success, to freedom, to breathable income, to everything you could possibly imagine. It's a whole new way of looking at life and throwing traditional life out the window. What's traditional life? 40, 50, 60 hours a week, working your brains off for pennies on the dollar. When you come to ONPASSIVE, it's an equalized company. It's the most, to me, it's the most unbelievable company. And a lot of people say it's too good to be true. And yes, it's too good to be true, but it's so true. You want one of these keys? Pay attention to the world, because when ONPASSIVE launches to the world, not only will it be on the Burj Khalifa because we own 2 floors, because it's already there, it's going to be everywhere. All right. Just remember ONPASSIVE. When you start seeing ONPASSIVE, I've said it 100 times now, when you see ONPASSIVE and it's launched to the world, ask any one of us to talk about it for this key, and we'll gladly help you change your life and open a new door for a whole new world in life. Julie Wen, I'm good. Back to you.
Absolutely, Chris. Not talking about the key to your success, the key to your total freedom. Would you like to have total freedom to do what you want, when you want, where you want, however you want, with who you want to enjoy life with? Not just financial, time. That is so important. You want to have total freedom of your time. Imagine Chris has been working for a company for 30-something years. There's many of us here sitting right here in this platform, working for many companies for 30, 40 years. I mean, nowadays, I go out to the supermarket at night, I see a lot of many older gentlemen, older ladies are pushing the shopping cart, working 9, 10 o'clock at night. They're supposed to enjoy their life because their entire life they're working for someone else, but still not making enough to get by. And now they have to work for another job, second job, 2 jobs. ONPASSIVE giving the opportunity to everyone in the world. It's okay if you miss the founder, the early bird, we call it, positions. It doesn't matter if you're missing it. But if you want to, you still can become a customer. Now, when we talk about customer of ONPASSIVE, you don't have to have a business, right? All the products of ONPASSIVE will be able, everybody in the world needs. Once you become the customers of ONPASSIVE, you use the product, you love the product, you share the product. And when you share the products to the world, people loves it, people buy it. You then became a reseller of the products of ONPASSIVE. Once you became this reseller of ONPASSIVE, yes, there is commissionable. That's what happened, guys. Do you want to do this? And we're talking about reseller. You don't need to know how to resell, or you don't have to have the salesing skills to be able to sell the products of ONPASSIVE. It's already done for you, and it's automatically done for you. All you got to do is becoming the customers, use the products, love the products, and share. That's when you share, people try it, people loves it, they buy it, you then became a reseller yourself. You can choose. You don't have to be a reseller if you don't want to. Be a customer. So it's really easy. It's a really done deal. And look at this one right here. What's under ONPASSIVE? We are so in it to win it. Chris, this is why I try to put my finger here earlier without letting you know. You think I was crazy, but
You
yeah,
can't- I
that's
don't think I
those
can
are
see it.
those are the words under on passive. We are so in it to win it, and you are too. But you have to be in it. Be in it by which way? Be a customer, right? Right now, if you're not a customer of OnPassive, I encourage you to look at www.onpassive.com. OnPassive is made very simple for you. If you can drink water, you can be in OnPassive. So that's all I have, Chris.
I'm good, Julie Wen. I think we told them a whole bunch.
We did. Love you
We went
guys.
a lot longer.
We appreciate you jumping on here to listen to us. Your time is valuable. We appreciate you as well. Thank you, all the founders. Thank you, all our friends that jumping on here to watch with us. Please take care of yourself and take care of others. Please make sure you support Bruce Gerstein and Jean Aliva's YouTube channels tonight, and continues to support our other YouTubers that we promoted about a month or so ago. Take care, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, everybody.
Also, right after this, in about 10 minutes, there's going to be a Vietnamese version that myself and two of our Vietnamese friends are joining us.
Yep, if you speak Vietnamese, get on there.
Yes. Share it if you have anyone that speak Vietnamese. It's a fun language. Love you. Bye.
Bye.